So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate custom business card designs online without any software for free. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for bizcardmaker.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Here you're gonna see a page will open right in front of you where you can select any of the design you want for your business card, and you can add the multiple details of your business as well. It provides you with a basic template as well that you can customize and make changes to it as per your need. And once you're satisfied with your changes, you can either download the PDF of the same card that you can print, or you can directly get the image file when you click over there, hit download JPEG. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.